first graders, and welcome back. We're still on topic 16 and we are on lesson 2. Remember this topic? We talked about fractions and shapes, and you have learned that you can see if that shape is divided to 2 equal parts or not. Today we will learn how to read and describe the equal parts of a whole object. For example, look at this shape. If I divide these shapes to 2 equal halves, I'm using my ruler and I'm having my crayons or markers or pencils, whatever you like to do. If I want to shade part of it, I'm shading one part, right? So this is the part I'm shading. So I'm shading, first I divided to 2 equal parts, then I shaded one part. How to write this? I will say 1 shaded, so 1 out of, how many totals? 2 equal parts, so out of 2 equal parts. So I have 1 out of 2 equal parts. So look at my circle. I divided to 4 equal parts. Let's say I'm gonna shade 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. So how many shaded parts? 3. So I'm gonna write it down here. 3 out of, how many parts altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 parts or 3 equal parts shaded out of 4, out of the total parts that I split it out of 4 equals parts. So let's see our lesson. Lesson 16, topic 16, lesson 2, page 521. Describing equal parts of a whole object. So this is your shape, and let's see. We're gonna divide them to 2 equal parts. I have my ruler, and I'm gonna split them any way I want. So I can split them horizontal or vertical. So use my pencil. All right. If you don't have crayons or marker or pencils color pencil, you can just do a design. So for example, I'm gonna make like that, or even shade it with a pencil. So you can just do what you like. I'm making this design. So total, how many parts I have? 2. 1 is shaded, so 1 out of the 2 equal parts. Okay, this one I need to work a little more because I need to write how many parts I will shade it out of the equal parts. But this is not an equal parts. This 2 is okay, but I need to fix this. So I'm gonna split this one more like that. So now I have 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts, and you can shade whatever you like. So let's shade also 1 part only. So I'm shading this part. All right, so how many parts are shaded? 1. So I'm gonna write 1 out of how many equal parts I divide this shape? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 out of 4 equal parts. Let's go for the circle. I would like to divide it to 4 equal parts. So I'm gonna use my ruler. I'm gonna divide it or split it to 4 equal parts, like a pizza, like that. and you have 4. Let's shade 3 parts. So I'm shading 1, and this is the second part, and then this is the third shaded part. So how many shaded parts? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3 shaded parts out of how many altogether? Don't forget this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 4 equal parts. Let's see that shape. I'm gonna divide it to 2 equal parts. I'm gonna split it or divide it this way to 2 equal parts, and I'm gonna shade 1 part. So how many parts are shaded? 1 out of how many total equal shapes? 1, 2. 2 equal parts. So this is the first activity, and we explain a bit over here. This is my shape. I divided to 2 equal parts. I shaded 1, and that's how you write it. 1 out of 2 equal parts. For the circle, I divided first to 4 equal parts. I shaded 3, so I write 3 out of, what's the total of the equal shape I have, or the equal parts? 4. So 3 out of the total. 3 out of 4 equal parts. All right. Let's see the next activity. 522. 522. Let's read the example first. You can describe equal parts of whole objects. The shape has 2 equal parts. 1 out of 2 equal parts is purple. 1 out of the 2 equal parts is purple. Over here we used to say 1 out of the 2 equal parts is shaded, or 3 out of 4. So over here, can we read this? Total how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many shaded orange? 2. So 2 out of 4 equal parts are orange. Very good. Let's see this one. You have a circle divided to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. How many parts are shaded yellow? 2. So this is how you're going to write it. 2 out of 4 equal parts are yellow. Very good. Let's see guided practice. This activity is really fun. All right. Circle each shape that shows 1 out of 2 equal parts. 1 out of 2 equal parts. The first one is done. So this is, yeah, shaded 1, but this is not an equal part. So this is not. This shape, yeah, divided to 2 equal parts. 1 part is shaded red, so this is yes. This shape also divided to 2 equal parts. 1 part is shaded, so yes, I can circle this. This shape divided to 2 parts, but they're not equal, so I cannot say it. Okay, let's go for number 2. Circle each shape that shows 1 out of 4 equal parts. That means the shape should be divided to, like this, 2 4 equal parts. So let's go for the first shape. 1 out of 4, yes. I see 4 equal parts. 1 is shaded, so this is yes. Circle again each shape that shows 1 out of 4 equals. 1 out of 4. They all equal parts. 1 is shaded, yes. So I will circle this. How about this one? I have 4 parts. 1 is shaded, but they're not equal parts, so I cannot say it. How about this one? They are divided to 4 parts, but the most important, they're not equal, so I cannot do it. Let's go for the third question. Circle each shape that shows 2 out of 4. So it has to be 2 out of 4 equal parts. So I have to see 4 equal parts, 2 are shaded. So do I see 4 equal parts? Yes. Do I see 2 shaded? Yes. So this is right. Do I see 4 equal parts? No. I see 4 parts but not equal. So this is no. Do I see 4 equal parts? No. Do I see 4 equal parts? No. I see 3. 1, 2, 3. So also this I cannot. So only the circle that replied to my question. Split or divided to 4 equal parts and 2 are shaded. So that's the one I circle. Let's see, do you understand? Does this shape show 4 equal parts? Explain. Look at this shape. Is it divided or split to 4 equal parts? Of course, no. Very good. No. Explain. The parts are different size. So I'll write down that the parts are different size. Oops. All right. Let's go for independent practice. Color the given number of equal parts in each shape. So you're gonna look at the number, and according to what's written, you're gonna color your shape. So for example, 1 out of 2 equal parts. I do have 2 equal parts, so one of them I need to shade it. So I'm gonna shade this part. Anything, you can use pencils, again crayons, or color pencils, no problem. All right, number 5, 2 out of 4 equal parts. Yes, there are 4 equal parts, 2 out of 4 equal parts. So you can do anything you like. I'll use another color. So I'll color this part and this part. Now when I'm reading it, I will be saying 2 out of 4 equal parts are blue. Very good. 2 out of 4 equal parts. Can I do this? Yes, you can. Let me take another color. I have my pencils color next to me, so I'm enjoying using them. So 2 out of 4 equal parts. I'll do the bottom part. So 2 out of 4 equal parts are yellow. Very good. 3 out of 4 equal parts. So you need to color 3. I'm gonna 3 out of 4. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of equal parts are purple. Okay. Reasoning. 2 out of what equal parts equal 1 whole? 2 out of blank equal parts equal 1 whole. That's so easy. Let's say any shape, regardless. If you have a circle and you split it to 2. If I shaded both parts, so 2 out of how many? 2. Yes, 2 out of 2 equal parts equal 1 whole. Even if you have it like triangle shape and you split it and you color 2 out of 2. Now you have 2 parts, 2 equal parts. You split them and then you shade them, both of them. Now what do you have? one whole triangle. Let's turn the page. Okay. Jane and her friend share a rectangular sandwich. How many parts does each one get? Show equal parts on the picture, then finish the sentence. So it's one sandwich, and I need to divide it by two friends. So I need to divide it to two equal parts. So that leave me with just like that. So two equal parts. So how I'm gonna write this here? 1 out of 2. So each will take 1 out of 2 equal parts. Alright. Which picture showed the pizza cut into 4 equal parts? 4 equal parts. This is 2. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 equal parts. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 4 equal parts. So which one? You got it. Okay, Bob and a friend share a granola bar. Draw a picture to show how many parts each child gets and write why the parts are equal. So Bob and a friend. So same like the sandwich. One granola bar gonna be divided to 2 equal parts because I need to divide it by 2 people. So show me with your drawing and write the sentence. 1 out of 2 equal parts. Awesome. That's it. So easy. Have fun. Continue. Use colors. And that's it for today. Thank you.